The Pacific Ocean, vast and deep, it is the largest ocean on our planet. Imagine a world of water stretching as far as the eye can see. The Pacific covers more than 30% of the Earth's surface. That's bigger than all the continents combined. It is a place of immense power and mystery, a place where life teems in its depths and secrets lie hidden beneath the waves. This vast expanse is not just a body of water, it's a vital part of our planet's ecosystem. It helps regulate our climate and provides us with food and resources. Yet for all we know, the Pacific remains a place of deep mystery. Join us as we journey into the heart of the Pacific. We will explore its depths, uncover its secrets, and discover the wonders that lie beneath its surface. The Pacific Ocean is incredibly deep. On average, it plunges down about 13,000 to 14,000 feet. That's taller than most mountains. Imagine standing at the base of a mountain and looking up. The sheer height is awe-inspiring. Now picture that same height but in reverse, plunging into the ocean's depths. But there's a place where it gets even deeper, a place of immense pressure and perpetual darkness. This is a realm where sunlight never reaches, and the environment is as alien as the surface of another planet. This is the Mariana Trench. Located in the western Pacific, the Mariana Trench is a scar on the Earth's crust. It's a dramatic reminder of the dynamic forces shaping our planet. It plunges down to a staggering depth of 36,201 feet at its deepest point. This point is called Challenger Deep. It is the deepest known point on Earth. To put this into perspective, if you were to drop a stone from the surface, it would take over an hour to reach the bottom. Imagine Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on land. Now imagine it submerged beneath the waves. The peak of Everest would still be over 7,000 feet underwater. At the bottom of the Mariana Trench, even Mount Everest's peak would be over 7,000 feet underwater. This comparison helps us grasp the sheer scale of the ocean's depths. The conditions at these depths are extreme. The pressure is over 1,000 times that at sea level. It's like having the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing down on you. The water is near freezing, hovering just above the freezing point, and the darkness is absolute. No light penetrates these depths, creating a world of perpetual night, yet life finds a way to exist even here. Strange and fascinating creatures have adapted to survive in this harsh environment. Exploring these depths is a challenge. The extreme conditions make it difficult for humans to venture here. But scientists are developing new technologies to venture further into the abyss. Advanced submersibles and remote-operated vehicles are pushing the boundaries of our exploration, revealing the secrets of the deep. The Pacific is teeming with life. From microscopic plankton to giant whales, the diversity of creatures is astounding. But in the depths, there are creatures that are rarely seen, creatures that seem to defy our understanding of biology. Scientists have recorded strange sounds coming from the depths. One of the most famous is the bloop. This loud, ultra-low frequency sound was detected in 1997. It was heard across thousands of miles of ocean. Some believe the bloop was made by a giant sea creature larger than anything we've ever known. Others believe it was caused by icebergs breaking apart. The truth is, we still don't know what made the bloop. There are many other unexplained sounds in the Pacific. These sounds hint at a world we are only beginning to understand, a world of creatures that have adapted to the extreme conditions of the deep. The ocean floor is not just a flat, barren plain, it's a complex landscape of mountains, valleys, and volcanoes. And sometimes we find structures that defy explanation, structures that hint at a history we never knew. Off the coast of Japan, there is a submerged rock formation called the Yonaguni Monument. It consists of massive stone blocks, some with what appear to be carved steps and terraces. Some believe the Yonaguni Monument is a natural formation, shaped by underwater currents and earthquakes. Others believe it is an ancient city, built by a civilization lost to time. The debate continues to this day. The Pacific is home to many other underwater anomalies, strange patterns on the seabed, circular formations, structures that seem too perfect to be natural. These anomalies fuel our imagination. They remind us that the ocean still holds many secrets. Section 5: Echoes of the Past, Lost Civilizations and Shipwrecks. The Pacific has been a highway for human exploration and migration for centuries. Its vast expanse has seen countless journeys, each leaving a mark on history. From the first Polynesian voyagers who navigated using the stars and ocean currents to the great explorers of the Age of Sail, Countless ships have sailed these waters. These explorers braved the unknown, driven by curiosity and the promise of new lands, and many have met their end beneath the waves. The ocean, while a pathway to discovery, is also a treacherous realm. The ocean floor is a graveyard of ships. Each wreck is a silent testament to the perils of the sea. Some are relatively modern, sunk during World War II. These ships, once part of fierce naval battles, now rest quietly, their stories preserved in rust and decay. Others are centuries old, their wooden hulls slowly consumed by the sea. These ancient wrecks offer a glimpse into the maritime history of bygone eras. Each shipwreck tells a story of adventure, of hardship, and sometimes of tragedy. These underwater relics are time capsules, preserving moments of human endeavor and misfortune. A story of adventure, of hardship, and sometimes of tragedy. The artifacts found within these wrecks provide clues to the lives of those who sailed them, their hopes, dreams, and ultimate fates. But the Pacific may hold more than just shipwrecks. Its depths are shrouded in mystery, with secrets waiting to be uncovered. Legends speak of lost continents and ancient civilizations that once thrived in the Pacific. These tales, passed down through generations, hint at a world long forgotten. While these legends are often dismissed as myth, some believe there may be a grain of truth to them. The possibility of discovering remnants of these ancient civilizations fuels the imagination of explorers and archaeologists alike. The Pacific is vast and deep. Its unexplored regions hold the potential for groundbreaking discoveries. It's possible that evidence of lost civilizations lies hidden beneath the waves, waiting to be discovered. The ocean's depths may yet reveal secrets that could reshape our understanding of history and human civilization. Section 6. A delicate balance. The Pacific's impact on Earth's climate. The Pacific Ocean is not just a body of water. It's a vast, dynamic system that covers more than 63 million square miles, making it the largest and deepest ocean on Earth. It's a living, breathing entity that plays a vital role in regulating our planet's climate. The Pacific is home to an incredible diversity of marine life, from the smallest plankton to the largest whales. The ocean currents that flow through the Pacific distribute heat around the globe. These currents act like a giant conveyor belt, moving warm water from the equator towards the poles and bringing cold water back towards the equator. They influence weather patterns, rainfall, and even the intensity of storms. The Pacific's vast expanse means it has a significant impact on the weather systems of many countries, from typhoons in Asia to hurricanes in the Americas. One of the most well-known climate patterns associated with the Pacific is El Niño. This phenomenon occurs every few years and can disrupt weather patterns across the globe. This periodic warming of the central and eastern Pacific can have dramatic effects on weather patterns worldwide. It can lead to severe weather events, such as intense storms, floods, and prolonged droughts. It can cause droughts in some regions and floods in others. The impacts of El Niño are far-reaching, affecting agriculture, water supply, and even the economy of many nations. The Pacific also plays a crucial role in absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This process helps to regulate the Earth's temperature and mitigate the effects of climate change. However, the ocean's ability to absorb carbon dioxide is not limitless. However, as the ocean absorbs more carbon dioxide, it becomes more acidic. This change in the ocean's chemistry can have serious consequences for marine ecosystems. This ocean acidification can have harmful effects on marine life, particularly on coral reefs and shellfish. Coral reefs, which are vital to marine biodiversity, are especially vulnerable to changes in acidity, leading to coral bleaching and the loss of marine habitats. Section 7. The rising tide, challenges facing the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is facing a growing number of threats. Climate change is perhaps the most significant. Rising sea levels, driven by melting glaciers and thermal expansion of the ocean, threaten coastal communities and ecosystems. Pollution is another major threat. Plastics, chemicals, and agricultural runoff are all finding their way into the Pacific, harming marine life and contaminating seafood. Overfishing is also depleting fish stocks, disrupting marine ecosystems, and threatening the livelihoods of those who depend on fishing. The challenges facing the Pacific are complex and interconnected. Addressing them requires a global effort. We need to reduce our carbon emissions, transition to cleaner energy sources, and adopt more sustainable practices. Section 8. Guardians of the Deep, protecting our ocean's future. Protecting the Pacific Ocean is not just the responsibility of governments and organizations. It's something we can all contribute to. We can make more sustainable choices in our daily lives, such as reducing our plastic consumption and choosing sustainable seafood. We can also support organizations that are working to protect the ocean. These organizations are conducting research, advocating for policy changes, and raising awareness about the importance of ocean conservation. Education is also crucial. By learning more about the ocean and the threats it faces, we can become better stewards of this vital ecosystem. We can share our knowledge with others and inspire them to take action. Section 9. Conclusion. The unending allure of the Pacific. The Pacific Ocean is a place of immense power and mystery. It is a source of life, a regulator of our climate, and a keeper of secrets. From its deepest trenches to its sunlit surface, the Pacific teems with wonder. As we continue to explore its depths and unravel its mysteries, we are reminded of the importance of protecting this vital ecosystem. The future of the Pacific, and indeed the future of our planet, depends on our actions today. Let us be inspired by the ocean's beauty, its resilience, and its power. Let us work together to ensure that this magnificent body of water continues to thrive for generations to come.